Hi and welcome. Let's have a look at how a large-scale Agile setup can look like in Hansoft. This company develops free software products called A, B and C. And they have between 8 and 16 teams working on each product. The primary level of coordination is on product level, but some planning across the products is necessary for a number of reasons. Some of the developers with special skills are shared, so resource allocation needs to be central. Products are aiming for the same market, so go-to-market plan and release schedule benefit from being coordinated. And the company wants to present a homogeneous product offering, so all the products should be compatible with a defined set of technology and integrate with certain tools. So, coordination across the products happen here in this portfolio section. Here we have a number of epics that we want to keep track on. These epics can be business ideas or technical or architectural initiatives that goes across the products. So these epics will have an influence on one, on some, or all of the products. Links are set up between the portfolio level epic and the backlogs of these products. So if we follow this, we'll find ourselves in the product backlog of product A. And here this epic has been broken down. At the lowest level in this breakdown, we'll find user stories that the teams committed as sprints. From the portfolio, the PPM people can see status of epics without leaving this view, and they can always click their way to more details if they want to. We said the primary point of coordination in the setup is on product level. So let's dive into one of them and see what a setup looks like. Here's the time plan. All these teams work and collaborate towards a common release. And this is what the backlog looks like. It's broken down in features, and features are delegated to the teams that are responsible for them. Regardless of how these developers organize themselves, they're always going to end up in a situation where there's a lot of dependencies between teams. And this calls for some joint release planning, where they not only plan what content the release will contain, but also what feature is going to be worked on when and by what team. So the color here indicates what feature it is. This setup is very Scaled Agile framework inspired for those of you who want to learn more. So what does this look like for the team member? In their everyday work, they might just use their to-do list to check off the things they've signed up to do. They can also look at their sprint board, the planning view, and they can always choose if they only want to see the things that they're working on, or if they want to see the whole context and understand how their contribution fits into the bigger picture. They will likely have an own dashboard where they can track the data they need in order to make good decisions and continuously improve. On product level, the dashboards will look quite different. Here you'll find things like release burndowns. This is a feature readiness overview. And here we have some product quality metrics. If we move to the portfolio, on this dashboard we'll find burndowns of certain epics, an epic readiness overview, and here they list any potential blockers. What all this sums up to is that you're able to get a great overview without losing any precision. Everything is connected, so this will always show you real-time bottom-up data. If you want to learn how Hansoft can accommodate your needs for large-scale Agile, please visit our webpage and try out our software for free.